Good morning, dear children. Welcome to social online class. How are you all? Hope all are safe and fine. Did you enjoy the holidays? Are you obeying your parents? Did you watch the video? Did you watch the video? If not, do watch it, okay? Those who didn't get the book, please get from our school. Understood, children? Okay. Now, we can revise chapter 1 and also we can fill the book back exercises, okay? Chapter 1. Please take your social textbooks. All of you, please take your social textbooks. Okay, and your pencil. Okay. Okay, what's the title of the lesson? The title of the lesson is Great Explorers, right? Great Explorers. In the last class, we have studied about the explorers of India, right? Yes? Have you understood the chapter? Have you understood? Okay, today let us have a recall about those great explorers or discoverers. Okay. Okay. You can open your book. Page number 10. Page number 10. You can open your book. See, explorers. The title is Explorers. What's the meaning of explorer? A person who travels to unknown places in order to find out more about that particular place. Okay. A person, one who travels an unknown place in order to find out some more information about that particular place. Clear? Okay. Explorers are discoverers. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn about 4 explorers. They are Christopher Columbus, then Ferdinand Magellan, Bartholomew Dias, and also Vasco da Gama. Okay. First, Christopher Columbus. He was born in 1451 in Italy. Okay. He was born in 1451 in Italy. He was a cloth merchant at first. At first, he was a cloth merchant. He wanted to become an explorer. Okay. After that, King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella, they helped by giving money for his travel. Okay. Columbus wanted to find out a sea route to reach India, which was known as what? Land rich in spices among the Europeans. Okay. He wanted to find the sea route to reach India. Okay. Now turn the next page. Okay. He first reached the Caribbean islands. Okay. Columbus first reached the Caribbean islands. How he went there? He went on 3 ships. Okay. What were the names of those 3 ships? The Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. Okay. The 3 ships were the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. Okay. See, a green box is given there in page number 11. Okay, in page number 11, on green box is there. Please take out your pencil and underline the answer. Okay. What was Columbus' original profession? What was Columbus' original profession? At first, he was a cloth merchant, right? So, please underline cloth merchant. It's 2 options are given there, cloth merchant and fruit vendor. You have to underline cloth merchant. Okay. Then the second one. To which place did Columbus try to find the sea route? To which place he tried to find out the sea route at first? To India. India or Africa? India. Okay. The dash islands were called the New World. The dash islands were called the New World. Caribbean or Indian islands? Caribbean islands. Underline Caribbean. The number 4. Columbus set sail from dash in Spain. Palos, P-A-L-O-S, underline Palos. Okay, the first answer is cloth merchant. Then the second one is India, then Caribbean, then Palos. Okay, yes. Please underline the correct options. Please listen class carefully. Okay, children. Now see the fascinating fact below in a brown color, orange color box. You see, Columbus accidentally discovered the Americas but died believing it was Asia. The wild waves of the Atlantic scared his crew so much that at one point they threatened to throw Columbus out of the ship. Every year, the second Monday in October is celebrated as Columbus Day in USA. To remember his discovery of the New World, okay, yes, to remember the discovery, every year the second Monday in October is celebrated as Columbus Day. Clear? Okay. You can see here, every year the second Monday in October is celebrated as Columbus Day in USA to remember his discovery of the New World. Clear? Now to the page, turn the next page. We can learn about Bartholomew Dias. Okay, he was born in the year 1450 in Portugal, which is in Spain. Okay, he was born in Portugal in the year 1450. Clear? Bartholomew was the first European to have crossed the tip of Africa. Bartholomew was the first European to have crossed the tip of Africa. Okay. One more green box is there in the same page, that is page number 12. See here, it's in page number 12. Bartholomew named the tip of Africa dash. What was the name given by him? Cape of Storms or Cape of Good Hope? Cape of, what's the answer? Bartholomew Dias have crossed the tip of Africa. He gave the name as Cape of Storms. Okay, this is the answer, Cape of Storms. Clear? Okay. Then Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, Ferdinand Magellan, he was a Portuguese explorer. He was a Portuguese explorer. Then he took with him, when he started his journey, he took with him 250 men and a fleet of 5 ships. Okay, a fleet of 5 ships. He was carrying with him 250 men and also a fleet of 5 ships. Right? What is meant by fleet? It's a group of military ships. Okay, group of military ships called fleet. Then what happened? Magellan Strait led them to a sea which Magellan named the Pacific Ocean. Okay, Ferdinand Magellan named the ocean as Pacific Ocean, which means what? Peaceful sea. The meaning of that Pacific Ocean is peaceful sea. Clear? Now turn the next page, page number 13. Page number 13, see that green box there? Please underline the answer. Magellan led his crew through Magellan Strait. Underline the answer. Magellan led his crew through Magellan Strait. Then the second one, Magellan was killed in a battle on Mactan Island in the Philippines. Then the third one, Vasco da Gama reached Dash on the west coast of India, Calicut. Underline Calicut. The first one answer is Magellan Strait. Then the second answer is Mactan Islands. Then the third one is Calicut. Clear? Okay. Now the next explorer, Vasco da Gama. You have heard about him, right? Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer. He was the first European to reach India by sea. Who was the first European to reach India by sea? Vasco da Gama. Okay, you can underline that line. Vasco da Gama was the first European to reach India by sea. One word answers will be asked for the exam. Okay, so please be careful. You have to go through the book thoroughly. Understood? Read line by line and mark the important points whenever you are reading the book. Okay, be ready to answer all the one words. Clear, children? Okay. You might have understood my pattern of question, right? Nearly 5 to 6 marks inside the book I have taken, right? So please read the book carefully. Whenever you are reading, please underline the important points and study. Okay. Then turn the next page. See here, sea routes of India. That sea route of the navigators. How the discoverers, explorers reached India, sea routes, how they use the sea routes. You can see here. Yes. Can you able to see the pic? It is in page number 14. Okay, it is in page number 14. Now, impact of voyages. In the discovery of new sea routes between the west and the east led to European companies setting up trading posts in the east. These trading posts gradually became, here it is, can you able to see, became colonies that were governed by European kings or governments. Animals, food, and even human beings were traded all over the world. Discovery of new continents helped cartographers in making clear and almost perfect maps of the entire world. Okay? Yes. Now you can recall this lesson. The title of the lesson is Great Explorers. We have learnt about 4 great explorers. They were Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, Bartholomew Dias, and Vasco da Gama. Okay. Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, then Bartholomew Dias and Vasco da Gama. Bartholomew Dias named the tip of Africa as Cape of Storms. Okay. Then Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in 1498. Ferdinand Magellan died in a battle. Okay. Yes. Have you understood the lesson? Now everyone please take page number 16. Okay. Page number 16 to mark the fill in the blanks. Okay. See here page number 16, question number 1. Columbus voyages were funded by dash and dash of Spain. Funded by means paid, okay? They have given money. Who have given money? King Ferdinand and also Queen Isabella. Okay, you can write the answer. King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain. Okay, answers will be sent you through WhatsApp. Okay, sent to you through WhatsApp. After that, you can mark in your textbook. Okay, children? Yes. Let me read the spelling. K-I-N-G, King, and Ferdinand, F-E-R-D-I-N-A-D. Okay, Ferdinand. Then Queen Isabella, Q-U-E-E-N, Queen. Isabella, I-S-A-B-E-L-L-A, Isabella. Next one. In 1502, Columbus reached Orinoco. In 1502, Columbus reached Orinoco. O-R-I-N-O-C-O. Okay, O-R-I-N-O-C-O, Orinoco. Then the third one, Bartholomew Dias crossed Port Elizabeth and the Great Fish River before heading back home. Okay, in the first blank you have to write Elizabeth and the Great Fish River. Clear? And the fourth one, Vasco da Gama was welcomed by a local guide called Ibn Majid when he reached India. Okay, Ibn Majid when he reached India. Then last one, discovery of new continents helped cartographers in making clear and almost perfect maps of the entire world. Discovery of new continents helped dash in making clear and almost perfect maps, cartographers. The answer is cartographers. Once again, let me read the fill in the blanks. Columbus voyages were funded by King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain. In 1502, Columbus reached Orinoco. C. Bartholomew Dias crossed Port Elizabeth and the Great Fish River before heading back home. Fourth one, Vasco da Gama was welcomed by a local guide called Ibn Majid when he reached India. Last one, discovery of new continents helped cartographers in making clear and almost perfect maps of the entire world. Next one, choose the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. You can put a tick mark in the proper answer. Okay, Columbus reached the Dash Islands in 1492. 3 options are given here. Mactan, Caribbean and Andaman. What's the right answer? Caribbean. Okay, please tick option 2. Answer 2, that is Caribbean. Okay, next one. Dash voyage resulted in discovering a new sea route to India for Portugal. Vasco da Gama. Please tick the option 3, that is Vasco da Gama. The third one, Magellan set off on his voyage in the year dash 1519. Magellan set off on his voyage in the year 1519. Tick the option 1. Okay. Dash voyage proved that the earth was round. Option 2, Magellan. Dash voyage proved that the earth was round. Magellan. Then last one, Dash was the first European to reach India by sea. Was the first European to reach India by sea? Vasco da Gama. Okay, you must study all the spellings for choose also. Okay, children? It can be asked as one word or true or false or fill in the blanks, whatever. Okay, so everyone should learn the spelling for these answers also. That means choose the correct answers. Okay, you must thorough with all the spellings. Clear? Okay. Have you marked? Fill in the blanks as well as choose the correct answers? I hope you have done, right? Then match the following. Match the column A with column B. Okay. Then now the question, Cape of Good Hope. What's the answer for Cape of Good Hope? It is South Africa. Here the answers are given directly. The numbers are given here in the margin, right? Okay, it's given in bracket. The answers are given here directly. Okay. Yes, Cape of Good Hope. What's the answer? South Africa. Okay. Then Spice Islands. Spice Islands. What's the answer? Indonesia. You can put number 5 near South Africa and put number 3 near Indonesia in the right side. Okay. Yes. Then third one, Magellan Strait. Magellan Strait. The answer is South America. South America. You can put number 1 as South America. Near South America. Then Mactan Islands. Philippines. Mactan Islands. Philippines. Here you can put number 4. Okay, then Lisbon. Lisbon, Portugal. The answer is Portugal. You can put number 2 near Portugal. Clear? Once again, let me read the question with the answer. Cape of Good Hope, South Africa. Then Spice Islands, Indonesia. Magellan Strait, South America. Mactan Islands, Philippines. Then Lisbon, Portugal. Okay, clear? Have you all marked? Fill in the blanks, choose the correct answers and match the following. I hope you have done. Please study all these carefully with all the spellings, and inside the lesson we have marked some green boxes, right? You have to learn that also. Clear? Yes? Read the book thoroughly. Okay, children? Okay, in this chapter we have learnt about the great explorers Vasco da Gama, Columbus, and then Ferdinand Magellan and also Bartholomew Dias, right? We have completed fill in, choose, match and also the green boxes inside the book. Please go through the book once again, read thoroughly, mark the important sentences, important points, underline it and study. Okay, be ready to answer the one word. Okay, children? Okay, please learn thoroughly, obey your parents. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.